welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I am fine. Popping, happy. Yes, today is another week review. I'm revealing this week from WorldNewHair. The good. You guys are not new to WorldNewHair, right? So it came in this bag, okay? As usual, when wigs come in a bag like this, it's very, very good. You can keep your wigs here, okay? You can keep it here. Yeah, I like that. So this is it, okay? Look at all the goodies that came in this wig. Let me start here. Ah, this is so cool. So many goodies. Wow. There is lashes. Woo, pair of lashes. A coupon card. Wow, exclusive offer. $15 of over $99 purchase. Okay, the code C. Ah, this is so cool. You guys can use this as well. Then there is a scarf. The scarf that came with it. And what is this? What's this thing? Hair temporary tattoo. Oh, whoa! I have seen this before. This hair temporary tattoo. Ooh, thank you so much. Thank you. WorldNewHair, thank you. I've seen it online, but I haven't seen it with my eyes. My first time of seeing how it looks. And there's another card here, okay? So wanna get $500 cash? Follow them on all their social platforms, okay? All right, I think you can scan this. You can scan this. Let me get it closer so that you guys can scan it from the screen. So guys, this is the wig. It's body wave.
Just a remedy.
And there are some combs. Came with adjustable strap, okay? So guys, this is it on. So in case if you're interested in getting this wig, I'm going to leave the direct link on the description box, so check that out, and also the link to their website so that you can check other wigs on their website. They have so many wigs here, different, any one you want, any type you want. If it is not this one, any other wig you want, they have them on their website, so you can check their website. But if it is this one, the direct link will be on the website, okay? The direct link will be on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out. So this is it on. You can see this is the hairline. See, they plucked the hairline. You can see this little, okay? You guys, sometimes I would like to repluck this, but sometimes I would just feel like installing the wig like that. For those of you that don't have time, that always like installing their wigs like this too, so I like doing that to show you guys how you can install your wig like this and it will look beautiful, okay? So this is it. Wow, this is beautiful. I like the color. This is lovely. So guys, let's head into the installation of this wig.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you. Something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody.
I'm going to use wastic.
Nobody loves me better.
Take the hair backward like this.
Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you. Something.
Ooh. God, this is so hot. Very, very hot. It's really, really hot.
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
So I feel this front is too thick, so I'm going to pluck it little like this. It's just too thick. Okay, I'll twist from this side too.
And lie to you.
Because I feel it's way too thick.
You, one of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but
So I'm going to tie it down.
we found there's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you.
So I'm going to lose the scarf from it.
Die for you. One of us gotta say.
So I'll clean the glue, excess glue from the wig.
Loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you. Something about you I like. About you I like.
So guys, that is is it for this hair tutorial. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. It's from WorldNewHair, so check that out if you like it. And please God, just before you go, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And if you like this hair review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button. And I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao.
I get too drunk and too